Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Marvel Rivals out of video memory error on PC. So first, locate game files, open Steam and navigate to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals, then select Manage and browse local files. Next, find Marvel Rivals Launcher.exe in the game folder. Right-click it, choose Properties, and go to Compatibility tab. Tick Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 8. Next is to compile shaders. Launch the game and allow the shaders to compile completely. This step is key to avoiding the error. Once shaders are compiled, exit the game. Then go back to my Marvel Rivals Launcher.exe, right-click and open Properties again. Untick Run this program in Compatibility Mode in the Compatibility tab. Apply the changes, and then relaunch the game and it should now work. And that's basically it.